Hey guys, it's Naira. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? Today I'm going to be giving you guys an updated skincare routine. The skincare routine has changed quite a lot. Quite a lot since the last time that I showed you guys all the products that I use and like what I do on my skin and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do now. I do not have acne prone skin, and I have combination skin. Some days I'm really dry, some days I'm really oily. My skin does literally whatever it wants. I also have psoriasis, so sometimes I'm dealing with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys all my products and how I keep my skin clear, because you know, CEO of clear skin over here. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna pull my hair back. I start by just taking my makeup off. I used to use bar soap and micellar water to do that. Bar soap just because like it was like a preliminary cleansing of my skin, and the micellar water to like really help get the makeup off. But I've upgraded. Now I use a cleanser, and this is just like so much easier, so much better for me personally. And this one has like coconut for hydration, so it's not going to like strip your skin while it's cleaning your skin. This is the e.l.f. Bounce Back Jelly Cleanse. This takes off my makeup, most of my makeup. Sometimes I'll find that I still have a little bit of makeup left on, but this takes off most of my makeup and cleanses my skin. So I use this even when I'm not taking off makeup, just to like start the face cleaning process, if that makes sense. So we're gonna just go ahead and take this cleanser and get my makeup off. All right, now I've got no makeup on, and you can tell because I look literally 14 years old. That's okay. I'm going to take my Biore charcoal face scrub. There are two face scrubs that I use. This has been consistent. I show you guys this in all my skincare videos. These are the two face scrubs that I use, but I don't use them like at the same times. This I use on a more everyday basis, and then my St. Ives apricot scrub I use when I'm having a breakout and my skin is being problematic, which doesn't happen very often for me at all. But just like if I am having a lot of texture, or I got like a pimple or two or something, I'm gonna go in with this bad boy because it's a little more harsh. By a little, I mean a lot. It's a lot more harsh. So this one I use on a more everyday basis. So I dampen my skin, and then I apply the face scrub just, you know, as normal with my hands. And then to actually get like a good scrub, I take my face like exfoliating / cleansing brush, and I use that. I have a few different like face spin brush systems. One of my favorites is the one from Vanity Planet, and this video is not sponsored, but a few months ago they did give me a coupon code for that one, so you can get like a whole spin brush system set for under $30. I'll have my coupon code for that down below. But again, this video is not sponsored. It's not in collaboration with or anything. I just worked with them in the past. All right, next is my favorite part, I think, of my entire routine. I'm going to take my Derma roller. A Derma roller is just like a little roller with tiny little needles on it, and you roll it onto your skin. It helps minimize pores, minimize texture on your skin, promote like collagen, and you know, it just does a bunch of stuff, okay? Do your own research. Derma rollers can be very tricky and very scary and intimidating to get into, but the benefits for your skin are like out of this world. So like, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend to be a dermatologist, but I am gonna tell you, if you're interested in it, do your research and, you know, handle it and sanitize it properly when you use it, but it works wonders. I suggest it. I've already sanitized my derma roller with alcohol. I do that before and after every use, and I'm just going to start rolling it. I start on the lower half of my face, like my lower like cheek, like my lower jaw area, if that makes sense. I go over my lips too. Get my chin, and then I move up to the upper cheek area, like around my under eyes. Then I do my forehead, eyebrow area. For me, this area is like the most sensitive. It doesn't hurt, but it's just like, you know, prickly, obviously, because there's needles going into my skin. And final steps, my serums. First, I take a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is good for anti-aging and moisture. I'm running out though, so like I have to like dip it and then rub it on my face because the pump tries its hardest, but it ain't that much product left in here. Next, I take my hyaluronic acid. Everybody knows hyaluronic acid is that girl, okay? Hyaluronic acid is the it girl right now. This is good for like anti-aging as well. Good with like discoloration, wrinkles, all that, acne, all that. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend to be a dermatologist. I'm just showing you guys the products that work well for me. So if you decide you wanna look into some of these products or you wanna purchase any of these, then do your own research, because what works for my skin may not work for yours. You know, make sure you're not allergic to anything, you know. And lastly is tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil. I feel like tea tree oil really did help change my skin, along with like the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Like when I started using serums, that's when my skincare really, like I started looking in the mirror and being like, wow, my skin is so pretty. This is great for, again, anti-aging and hydration. Tea tree oil is very, very hydrating. If you have like cracked heels or like calluses on your fingers, you can use tea tree oil and it will like revive your feet and your hands. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my full skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
But she said that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty to fly though, that's all I